Good evening, class. Today I will be talking a little bit about myself, as well as hoping to get to know you guys a little more as well. So, my name is Gianni Macchio. Some people call me G. Gianni doesn't really matter to me. So, I went to high school at Mepham, which is in North Belmore, and it's around 10 minutes away from Eloy, so it's not really that bad of a drive commuting. For my relevant or recent work experience, over the summer, me and my friend started a business known as the Salty Scrubber LLC, and we cleaned boats around Long Island, and it was definitely a pretty good job for the summer. I enjoyed it a lot, and it really taught me and my friend how to manage a business, how to manage with people, how to talk to people, and how to meet client demands. So a little bit about my background for my family and stuff. I'm 100% fully Italian. I am part Sicilian and a lot, probably like 75% Calabrian, which is nice. My grandma makes some great food and we follow a lot of Italian traditions. Like we make sauce in the summer, salami in the winter, and wine in the spring and fall. So I like football, baseball. I'm a huge Yankees fan, and I'm a Giants fan, sadly, right now. But hopefully they can turn it around soon. But it's not looking like it. So a fun fact about myself. I guess I can make a cool noise. I can make like a water drop noise, which is kind of funny, I guess. So I hoping you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm hoping to get to know you guys a little more as well. Thank you guys for listening.